Hi, it's Maggie Wigger from Kennerly Elementary, the ELL teacher. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Sign Up Genius to sign up for an intake conference. Now, if you were here last year, you know how to use Sign Up Genius. But if you were not here last year and you're new to Kennerly, welcome. But also, this will take you through step by step how to use the Sign Up Genius. Okay, well, the very first thing you're going to do is find the email from your child's teacher. Your child's teacher will be sending an email with a Sign Up Genius that is just for their class. Last year's Sign Up Genius, all of the teachers were all together in one big Sign Up Genius. This year, your child will have an individual Sign Up Genius just for her class or his class. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and find that link. If you can't find it, send me an email and I'll make sure that I send it to you. Click on the link. From here, this is your Sign Up Genius link. So I'm using Miss House. Not everyone will be using Miss House. You will be using your child's teacher. But if you're in Miss House class, perfect, here you go. So notice our intake conferences are much earlier than last year. They are Wednesday, September 5th, and Thursday, September 13th. The conferences go from 4 p.m. and the last conference will start at 6:45, ending at 7 p.m. Each conference is only 15 minutes long. These minutes go by very fast, so it's important that you show up on time and ready to talk all about your child. If you're not sure what an intake conference is, be sure to watch the video that I sent that tells you all about some great questions you can ask or talk about at the intake conferences. So when you find a time that works for you, you're going to go ahead and click in the yellow box. And then you're going to click Submit and Sign Up. Perfect. Now make sure that this is the time that works for you and your family. Go ahead and put your student's name. I'm going to go ahead and put my name in here. Spell it right. Okay, and then two things. First, if you have a Sign Up Genius login from last year, you can click Login to log in. If you do not have a Sign Up Genius, number two, you can go ahead and sign up without an account. That's something new this year, I think. So because I have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in as myself because I have a Sign Up Genius account. So I'll go ahead and put my email. And then I'll put my password. Okay. So because I already have an account, I'll go ahead and I'm already logged in. So I'll go ahead and just click Sign Up now. Perfect. Now, this is the time I need to remember. So I'm going to write it down, or I can click here and add it to my calendar. So I'm going to take you back to Miss House Sign Up Genius. And this button will take you back to the Sign Up Genius. So as you can see, I've signed up for a couple of these practicing for this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can delete it or maybe change it. So the first one is I'm going to go ahead. I'm already signed in using Sign Up Genius. And maybe this time isn't working for me. So since I'm already signed in and I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and click delete if I want to change it. If I don't want to change it, don't worry about this. Just go ahead and hit stop. And then I can put a reason why I deleted it. I'm going to put practice because I've been practicing. And I'm just going to click yes, delete. Okay, then it's gone. And then I can follow the same process to sign up for another time. So, but I also signed up over here on someone else's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I'm going to pull up Miss Howe's link. And let's say I do not have a Sign Up Genius account and I do not want to set one up. If you want to set one up, you're welcome to do so. You're just going to need to have your email and then a password. But if you do not want to set up an account and you want to change a conference, you'll have to, so I'm going to log out as me really fast. And I'm going to go back to Miss House sign up. So right now I'm going to go ahead and show you what would happen if you do not have a sign up genius and you want to go ahead and delete it. Okay, so let's say I don't have a sign up genius, but I want to change or delete my appointment. So what I can do is I can go to change your sign up, and then I decide which one fits. So I signed up as a sign up genius member. If you did, go ahead and log in and change it. I signed up without a sign up genius account. That means I didn't want to set up an account. I can click there. There's a different ways I can change it. I can create an account. I can contact the sign up junior creator. So that means contact the child's teacher and ask them to delete it. Or I can send myself an email link that shows me and has the steps for me to delete it. Or if someone else signs you up, here's another way that you can delete. Again, contact your child's teacher, create an account. There's multiple ways. All right, so that's about it. Again, find your child's teacher's link, click on it, click on the time you would like, sign up. Don't forget about your time, and we can't wait to see you guys to talk more about your children. Have a great year. I'll talk to you soon.